Alright guys,
green.
so today I'm gonna be playing Scary Baboon. I know I haven't made a video in like 9 months to a year. That's on me. That's on my fault.
Then you can get a
Like I've been really busy, you know, like all that. Okay, right, it's over there. Oh, these monkeys about to get it now.
My God, who was that?
Skibidi hooked one.
What?
I'm sorry, I had to say it. I DM'd her and she says she was 12.
That's all 6 of them. Ninja just got popped.
No.
Brew just got popped. Brew just got popped.
We are so bad.
Oh, Blue just got popped.
Party? We are so back. Party?
Blue just
Alright, so
got
I gotta get. Oh, we are so back. Scavenger heart party. Reward? I mean, I don't want that. Red balloon. Blue balloon. I already got the blue balloon. That's right here in the corner. I don't know where the other ones are. Oh yeah, give me that money. Oh, dance. Whopper, 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 Junior, Double, Triple, Whopper, frame you okay, so with perfect toppers, I roll this day. Very skibidi hawk too. I hope I died by it. So they're absolutely about to die, bro. What about mom? Yep. Boy, guys, it's been a very long time since I've uploaded. And I'm sorry for that. Oh my God, dude. Fight started. What is that? What is that? Oh my God.
What's the new monster, bro? I
Stop.
don't like the new monster. What do you want the hell about? Oh, I'm so dead. What is that monster? What is that monster? What is that monster? What is that monster? What is that happening?
Bro, where was it? Stop closing the gate, bro. Bro, what are these kids on about? All I hear is the new monster, it's the monster. Am I in the same lobby? Can I have a gun? Like, does somebody have a gun?
Where's the sticks? Wait, what happened? Oh, baby, shit! Wait, what happened to you? The moment you join, it's just...
Bro, how to do the slide? How to do the cha-cha slide?
What the hell? Someone's... Give it
Put it on a TikTok page, bro.
I'm gonna tap.
Oh my God. Bro, what is going on in my game?
What is this?
I gotta get out of here. Holy hawk to a skibidi. What's going on in my game? Dog, it is genuinely glitching, bro.
I got the ball, I got the ball.
Oh my God. Do I like have too many tabs open or something?
Why you guys keep opening and closing the door? Here, guys, we gotta go out. Here. Guys, we're cooking. We're cooking. I know we're cooking. Go in. Go to cafeteria. Go to cafeteria. Get it.
Bruh.
Come here. Guys, we need to go to cafeteria. I'm gonna start.
Yeah, we have to go to cafeteria.
Go here. Cafeteria's over here. Yeah, cafeteria's to your right. Cafeteria's to your right. Open the door.
Oh my god, he's dead.
Guys, go to cafeteria.
Let's go to cafeteria.
I don't know where cafeteria is.
Oh my god, it's coming!
Guys, where?
Oh my god, my hand's stuck. My hand's stuck.
Where's
Bro,
the button?
I'm recording a video right now, man.
Wait,
Yo, look, come over here, come over here, come over here, come over here, follow me.
What is that? Run!
Oh my god, dude.
That's a new monster.
Guys, this is crazy.
That's the new monster.
But now I'm gonna start uploading
Yo,
again.
we have to go to cafeteria.
Oh my god, what?
No,
No, where's cafeteria? I haven't played this in a long time. I've been playing Bone Lab.
Yo, cafeteria's over here. Where you at? Where you at? Cafeteria's
Follow him,
over
follow
my
him,
hand.
follow him.
Run!
Cafeteria's over here. Cafeteria's over here. Look, come in here, come in here, come in here. We're safe.
Oh, it's scary.
Guys, this is the scariest thing that ever happened to me in Scary Baboon, and you're gonna want to see it because this is just intense.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Nothing's chasing us, bro.
Oh my god, I'm tweaking. Oh my god, I'm tweaking.
I know.
You just feel immersed right now. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Mom! Help me! Help me! Oh my god! Bro, move! Bro, drop the code! Oh my god, I guess! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! He's dead! He's dead! He's dead! Oh my god! I don't know where to go. I haven't played this game in a long time. Oh my god! Oh my! Now that's some content for you guys. Oh my god. Bro. Oh my god. I can feel it in my chest and my back. Bro, that okay. Oh my god. Help me. Oh my god, I just hit my nut. Bro. The viewers are gonna be in distress watching this. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Here's the truck.
Hey, you know the flight of stairs? Like, where like it's loops like this?
Yeah,
It loops like this?
I saw him. I don't know. I've never seen that. Well,
Bro.
I've only been playing for like
I had to run down that
5 days.
joint and I just hit my balls, bro. Oh my god. You know whenever you're swinging your hands like this?
Yes. I hit my leg all the time.
Yo.
Oh my god, it made my voice high pitched.
No, I sound like Mickey Mouse. Oh. Come on in there. That guy was help. Help. My hand's stuck. Oh, no. It's stuck. Wait, yank it as hard as you can. Let's go.
If something comes and the door's not open, we are cooked.
Oh no!
Run!
My hands are getting stuck!
All my friends died. I'm the last of us. Thumbnail? Maybe? It's where I'm going. This is where I'm going. Oh my god. Holy. Jesus. Give me the strength. To absolutely run.
Would you like to help us figure out who killed the monkey? 511.
But what are you guys talking about?
Make it pet, Open that damn door.
Oh.
I'm tired.
Help me! Oh my god! Oh my god! Open!
I'm running.
Oh my god!
I'm in my hand. Open the door.
Ah!
Open, you dumbass.
Bro, y'all haven't seen the things I've just seen. Oh my god.
Why is it the set to go?
Help me. You have to help me.
You that sounds exactly like my friend. That's weird. Did you play that?
Oh my god, I'm dead. Jesus.
Nice walk on my door. Nice walk on my door.
I need one of the monsters to come here so I can jump through. Thumbnail, dude.
My friend.
Oh, my YouTube channel name is J-Man Curly. Yeah. Go ahead. No, my channel name is Elliot VR. Yep. I'm Elliot.
Why are you joking?
I'm not joking. I'm Elliot. Like what? No, I'm joking.
Are you 10%?
No, I'm not even Elliot. Dude. Oh my god! Scary Baboon is actually, it's actually scary. Oh my god. Oh my god, no. Guys.
We're in lockdown mode. What does it mean?
What game should I play, guys?
It's lockdown mode.
We're gonna play another scary game.
We're in lockdown mode. If anyone has a low voice,
I am not playing Crawl Space unless you
who has a low
ask
voice,
for it,
raise
but-
your hand. Am I seasonal? Hey.
Oh my god. Oh my god, chat. This is absolutely doggy buns. This video is gonna be at least like an hour long. Like, I'm gonna end it like whenever my VR starts to power off, you know. But yeah, but sorry that I haven't uploaded in almost a year. Well, a year and 9 months. That's my fault. I've been busy, you know. I've been doing stuff. I've been making money. No, I'm playing. I am still broke like a joke. And the other reason why I ain't uploaded is because I had a factory reset my
How long does it take?
meta.
If I bust on the wheel, do you think
And
it'll
it's
give me
actually-
what I want? Oh, it gave me bread.
It actually was sad.
Fuck you!
Bread.
The bread store
Bread. You wanted to race me, right? You.
Like I actually felt disappointed.
And
I
then,
said
what the
you wanted to
fuck?
race me, bro. You wanted to race me. I
I want to race you too.
You?
Fuck, I'm stuck. Oh.
You guys want to race? I.
Yo.
I just grabbed my camera mod from all the way up.
Come here, boy. I'll meet you down here.
Where are you? Okay, then go to arcade. Go to arcade.
All right, let me actually like.
Arcade?
Holy, I have
Got it.
13,000 money bands. Wait, how do you get Rainbow Monkey?
Oh, yo, guys. What
How do you get Rainbow Monkey, boy? Tell me.
Michael Jackson.
Tell me.
Special Michael Jackson.
How do you get Rainbow Monkey?
Rainbow Monkey.
Ooh.
I bet you want to see Michael Jackson? I got you.
Oh. Yeah, I'm not paying money on this game, dude.
Oh my god, man.
We're leaving at 9:30.
Yeah.
Help me! Help me! Help!
Like to the entrance.
I'm
How about this?
sick. You better run, boy.
Pull map. To pull map.
You not safe.
Oh, you cheated. No,
Alright, I like it.
bro, you boosted. You
Yo.
boosted me back. What is that?
Yo, these cosmetics
I can't
are
boost
fire,
it
bro.
back. Oh, yo, I won.
Nope.
No,
Nope.
I said where even is pool map?
I gotta get something stupid on.
It's pool map. I thought you meant the entrance, bro. Yo, my controller just.
Wait, where's the monkey? Where's the monkey thing?
You're probably going to the gym, so he doesn't really need to
My
shower.
controller
You're
just.
probably gonna go to the
That's
gym.
10,000.
Yo, you look weird.
And then get
I
showered.
only have 3,000 to spend though.
What were you gonna get?
I'm gonna get the money gun, like a gun. I need a gun.
I'm turning black
Okay.
to money.
I need kill kids.
Wait, yo, who is supportive? Who is supportive? Go to
Oh yeah, I think
supportive
it's up here.
if you have it.
Ooh, I have 3,000 left to spend. I already spent
Get this, bro. Get
the
this.
bunions.
I tried to help.
Yes, bro,
1,000,
get that, bro, trust.
2,000. All right, let's see how much money.
Yeah, one sec.
Ooh, should I not buy the tuxedo? Wait, where the monkey at? Where the monkey at? How do I get the monkey? Or the rabbit? Or the mouse?
Bat. Oh, come here. Come up here. I think it's like 5,000. It's 4,000.
I can buy it.
500. Hey, I have this.
I am
guy.
rich.
I have
I'm
the
rich.
banana And the rat.
All right, so I'm gonna get
Right
rid
now.
of the
I used to have
tuxedo.
80,000.
Fatty
I used to have
boy.
80,000, but I bought too much stuff. What? What?
All right, let's go, guys. Come here. Check out my new fit.
Bro,
Come on. I want to change clothes.
Where are you?
I'm in the you know where.
From the screen.
Alright.
I see you. Do that.
All right.
You don't have it on. Eh!
Okay.
I don't see it. You need to take the head off. You're invisible. You are just a head. I mean, where are you? Scary, bro. It's kind of scary. Yo, come here. You're just a head, bro. Come here. Come here. Remember me? Come here, dude.
My
Dude, come here.
outfit's the best, bro.
Come here. Man, you want to see something scary? Follow me. I'll show you something scary. Come on. Do you have trusted user?
Yeah.
Hey, get
Wait.
No!
Hold on. Wait. Let me check it. Let me check if I have it. Wait. Trust.
You should be able to go. How do you
Ooh,
check?
I have to
How
play
do
the
you
game
check?
for 1 hour.
You should be able to go in the
Hold on. Let me take off the
How do you check? How do you check if you have trusted user? You should be able to go in the vent if you do. No, how do you check how long until? Right here.
I'm invisible. I'm invisible.
In 18 seconds.
I'm invisible.
Go into trusted user. Oh yeah, I
Bro, your ears look like my
forgot.
balls.
You become invisible when you first try to put on the vat. That happens.
How do
to
I
me
get the
too.
rat on fully?
I think you have to.
But I am recording a YouTube video, so. Yes, I am, but what do you mean?
Yeah.
Hold on, let's look at these bunions, boy.
Come to trusted user.
Go
to battle.
Look at, ayo, tell me how my bunions
Actually,
look.
Yeah, go to battle. Go to battle.
Oh,
Go to battle.
they feel good.
Everyone go to battle. Where's that one dude?
Yo,
Yeah, this one was
I don't know where I am.
Fully invisible.
Guys, I'm totally invisible.
Yo, it's a floating skibbity head.
It's a floating skibbity head.
just baby. Don't do that.
Is this dude floating away?
Wait. No. Just quit. Hey, it's not working. It's not working. Oh, there we go.
Okay.
Hey guys, today we are gonna kill people. Well, watch this slow motion action.
Are you fighting the chair? What are you doing?
4,000 egg. Oh, I'm joking. 41,000.
God. Oh, that's blasphemy. You can't be God.
Hey guys, so.
Alright, guys. Alright, guys. I gotta restart my game, so. This ugly boogly thing. Crazy. But, if you're enjoying the video, make sure to like and subscribe. Comment what your favorite part of the video was. And, that would help me a lot. Because, you know, your boy's broke. No, I'm playing. Oh, yeah. Let's go, I'm a ratty monkey with a big tushy. Nah. No. Yo, I am cursed, dude.
Bro,
I am cursed, dude.
Okay. You really do, don't you?
Get away!
Harry, you're doing mine. So mine is 2, 4, 6, 7, 5. And then draw. 2, 4, 6, 7, 5. 6, 7, 5. 6, 7, 5.
6, 6, 7, 5. Come on, can I click it?
I'm up front. I'm in the code.
What, Harry? Yo, Harry, what's up, bro? It's me. Look, do you want some milk? Harry, I'm right here, man. No, Harry, that milk. Get some milk. Look, go. Fine. Hey, no, wait, let me just get something. You wanna go to horror with me? You wanna go to horror with me? You wanna go horror with me? Wait, Harry, I'm just.
Bro, what is going on with my game, dude?
What?
Unequipped. Okay, equipped.
What, Harry?
Let's go. I got 2 J-Mans by my side with a big tushy. J-Man, no! J-Man, no! No. Alright, guys, I want to end the video here. Cause like I can't. I'm just signal like that. But if you enjoyed, you already know what to do.